one place. Oh, you fucking whore. God damn it. Motherfucker, man. Oh, fuck, I fall on again. God damn it. Fuck. You keep falling down from that place. Oh, you bitch. Come on, motherfucker. God damn, I'm getting tired of fucking getting sniped. No fucking way. Come on, dude. You gotta fucking be serious. Oh, no. Come on. Fucking, I'm shooting my gun. These fucking guys are still killing me. What the fuck is that? Oh, fuck. Oh, these fucking guys, man. Oh, god damn. Come on, guy. Fucking pass my ass and you never even kill that fucking guy. God damn it. These guys are fucking sad, man. They passed me, and I get shot in the back. Fuck. Get the fuck out of my way, asshole. Motherfucker, man. God damn it. The fuck, I cannot shoot that fucking guy. Oh, fuck. In the back again. God damn. Fucking back shooters, man. I tell you. Come on. Everybody, where's everybody? Where's all our fucking team? What are everybody doing up here when everybody's down on the fucking bottom? God damn. These guys all running the wrong fucking way, and all the guys are all down on the bottom. Is that the enemy or? Oh, God. Fucking stupid ass. Oh, come on, man. You can't fucking do that. That's bullshit. What the hell is going on out there? What the hell is going on out there? Was that the enemy or? Oh, Angel. Oh, God. Fucking stupid ass. Oh, come on, man. You can't fucking do that. That's bullshit. This guy couldn't fucking shoot me like that, man. No way. Oh, fuck it. He's in a park again. He's in a playground again. Fuck you. Oh, man. I ain't getting my fucking asses. Bullshit. Yeah, you fucking bunting. I'm dead on your ass now, man. Fucker. You don't die with dead bullets, man. You gotta really be Superman or something. You gotta go down, dude. I ain't putting some hit on your ass. Oh, shit. I thought you were shooting at me, man. Oh. How come we never get the last kill? Oh, I was thinking, how come we never get the last kill? Come on. Fucking guys. Kids, give me a fucking break. Fucking hit marks right on their fucking ass and I died. Fuck. Fucking. Oh, dude. God damn it. That's it. It's not gonna be good for me on this game. Fuck you.
So there you have it. The King of Mean, Mr. Clean, 1946, man. Look him up on Xbox. Make sure, please, subscribe, like, share the video, whatever you want to do. It really helps us out for Taking California. We're really trying to get this rolling right now. Get some more spoof videos out for you. I mean, we all work full-time jobs. It's not like we do this for a living. We do it for fun. We do it for hobby. Hope you like it. See you again soon.